Welcome back. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to check the firewall status messages. I'll log in back to the firewall, and then on my left hand side, I'll click status. On top here, I can see the active hosts. So in this case, I have two active hosts, the .10, which is the management station, and the .240, which is the active directory controller. Both hosts belong to the local area network. If I were to click active connections, these are the active connections. If I were to click right at the bottom here, hide local connections, so it will hide all connections that were initiated by a host from the local area network to the firewall. So if I click that, all the traffic has been filtered away. But what you see here, you still have the local area network under the source IP. So you can see the host belong to the local area network, but it initiated a connection to the internet. So if I were to unhide that, you can see more information. Okay, so let me quickly initiate a new connection and it should appear right here. So I'll open the terminal on the management station, initiate an SSH to a Linux server in DMZ, and then we'll be able to see SSH service right here. So let me quickly initiate an SSH session. So it's gonna be SSH root at, then the IP address of the Linux server in DMZ, that is 172.20.20.250. Then I'll log in. Okay, so I'll minimize this. We have a new session here, SSH, and sourced from 10.20.20.10, and it's destined to 172.20.20.250. Moving on, you can get some alert messages here. For now, there's nothing. And then you can also check the status of the interfaces. From here, you can see three interfaces: DMZ, local area network, and wide area network. You can see the traffic, the number of bytes or the bandwidth that has been in and out of those interfaces respectively. And then I can also check the user statistics, who logged in, how much data they've used. And if you come here under the logs on my left hand side, I can get more logs such as alerts, config, connection, debug, and so forth. HTTP, you can see the ongoing HTTP connections. So this is how you get your status messages using the dashboard.